Hi everyone, welcome to Electronics with Professor Mughal. It's been a long time I haven't had a chance to interact with you, so here I am, and I'm here to throw out an offer to all of you. And the offer is, if you visit my website www.electronicswithprofmughal and you join our newsletter, you will have an opportunity to have free access to all my project files, project codes, and videos as well. All you need to do is visit again www.electronicswithProfMughal, and right at the very top you will see join our newsletter. Click on it, enter your name, enter your email ID, and then finally click subscribe here, and that's pretty much it. And like I said again, if you do that, you will have free access to all the project files as well as the videos. Thank you for watching. Well, have a wonderful day. I'll see you later. Bye. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you.